All right, let's check your answers to see how you did. So this very first one, let's kind of check what we have. So you can start from any section. So I'm going to just start from here. So I'm going to say one. Oh, let me change this color. So let's do like a brighter color because it's kind of dark. Okay. So we have one, two, three, four, five, six. So these are the 6 cubes that are right here in the front. And if you look at the numbers, it also says 3 and 2. So 3 times 2 is 6, kind of like the front. So if we look at the 4 back here, they're telling us it's 4 units wide. So you can kind of see that here. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So whatever we had here, we're going to multiply it 4 times. So 6 times 4 is 24, and they don't have a measurement, so we're going to say 24 cubic units. You could count all the squares individually and just be very careful not to miss things in the back, but because you can't see everything, you kind of have to imagine it like separated. Okay, so if you had 24 cubic units for this problem, you were correct. Okay, now this one had kind of like 2 parts, so it could be a little tricky. So here, I would even split this in maybe 2 sections, and let's figure out the volume of this section first. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know we have 8 cubic units on for these right here. And I could see that because it's all spread out, just one single row, so I could clearly see it. Or I could have said I have 2 right here in the front. 1, 2. And if you count your width, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 times the 4 going across would also be 8. Okay, now let's figure out this other tall one. So here, let's count how many we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I can clearly see 6 in the front, but we need to check how many there are for your width. So we can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 rows kind of for like your width for cubic units. So we're gonna say 6 times 4 is 24. Now we're gonna add the 2 different shapes together. So 24 plus 8 is 32. They did not give us any measurements. We're going to again say it's 32 cubic units. So if you have 32 cubic units, you can check that. You got it correct. Now on this one, again, you can count them individually, or we can again continue what we've been doing. So let's count everything we have up front. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our length, 4. You could just count up and say, well, it's 1, 2, 3, 3. Like my height is 3. So 4 times 3, this whole front is 12. Or you can just keep counting. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then we check our width. Our width is 2. So we know we have 1 section in the front that we can clearly see, but there's 1 in the back. So 12 times 2 is 24. Again, there's no measurements, so it's 24 cubic units. So you have 24 cubic units again for this third problem, then you're correct. So just look how this first problem and the second problem look different, but their volume is the same. So Always make sure that you don't go based on like how it looks. It all depends on the length, the width, and the height. Okay, so at this time, you are going to either have a picture of this if you solved it on your iPad, or if you had a picture of it on your like notebook or your paper, you're going to take that picture and attach it to this slide. So attach your picture here and then after you attach your picture, you're going to go back into Google Classroom and click Turn In. Do not forget to click Turn In so your teacher can see your work. After you hit Turn In, then make sure that you complete the exit ticket so you can have additional independent practice and we can see what you have learned for today. Goodbye.